The Poly Studio X70 is an intelligent, all-in-one, plug-and-play device that can connect to your choice of video-as-a-service platforms. No PC needed. Dual cameras with 4K sensors are guided by PolyDirector AI technology to create an unparalleled video experience, perfect for hybrid working environments. With a 25-foot camera range, it's suitable for large rooms and boardrooms. The Poly Studio X70 ships with the Poly Studio X70 video bar, the power supply and cable, a LAN cable, 2 HDMI cables, and a wall mount. An optional table stand or VESA mount can be ordered separately. Poly Studio X70 ports include 3.5mm audio in, 3.5mm audio out, poly expansion microphone, one network port with a second port for potential future use, power, 2 HDMI display ports, an HDMI in port, 2 USB-A ports, and a USB-C port. To set up, start by installing the preferred mount according to the instructions included with your mounting kit. Next, plug the LAN cable into a network port. Then, connect the HDMI cable to the DisplayOne HDMI out port on the Poly Studio X70 and the HDMI in port on your monitor. If you have a second monitor, repeat this process with the Display 2 port and your second monitor. 2 monitors are recommended in order to share content and display video simultaneously. You may want to purchase a third HDMI cable for content sharing. For larger rooms, the Poly Studio X70 also supports optional expansion microphones, aux audio in, and aux audio out. Expansion microphones include a mute button on the microphone. These are sold separately. Finally, plug in the power cable. The system provides prompts to walk you through the out-of-box setup procedures. During setup, you will need to pair either a Poly TC8 touch control or optional accessory such as a remote control. Both are sold separately. The integrated motorized privacy shutter opens when waking, starting a call is incoming, and when in an active call. At all other times, the shutter remains closed. PolyDirector AI combines with wide-angle and narrow-angle 4K cameras to deliver real-time, smooth, automatic group framing and speaker tracking to seamlessly connect meeting rooms to home offices. The Poly Studio X70 also provides crystal-clear audio, with two-way stereo speakers with custom-tuned bass port, powerful microphones, and noise block AI. Please register your Poly Studio X70 with a free PolyLens account to manage device features.